So now that we have settled our insurance, we're going to be moving on to our where we're going to live because we got to have a roof over our heads. So on step 4, you're going to be choosing where you want to live. Now think about what your monthly income, net income is going to be and what you can afford because this is a cost every single month. And so think about what you can afford. Can you afford to be living in a mansion with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 2 living rooms, kitchen with breakfast area, dining room, office, game room, media room, 3-car garage, big front and backyard with a hot tub, pool, and outdoor kitchen for $2,768 a month? Or would something more reasonable work for you? And then, of course, if you choose to have a roommate, if you have 2 or more bedrooms, you can share it with a roommate. And then you're going to be splitting your rent or mortgage in half by splitting it with a roommate. So as I go through this, I could look and see that, all right, I'm only by myself. I don't have any kids. I don't have a wife. I don't have a dog. But I want to kind of live, you know, I want to live a little bit of a high life, so I'm choosing the Golden Heights apartment. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, living room, kitchen, dining area, balcony, pool, fitness center, hiking trails. Sounds pretty good to me for $690 a month. But then if I have a roommate, I'm going to split that in half. So since I'm going with a roommate, my monthly bill is going to be $345 a month. So because I'm splitting with a roommate, I'm only going to be paying $345 a month because I split my rent in half. So then what you're doing is you're going to find out what your income balance is after you pay your rent every month. So you go back to your previous slide and you take your calculator and how much you have left over, $4,188.50, and then you're going to take away what you are paying a month in rent. So I'm going to take away $345 a month. Now I'll end up with $3,843.50. So then make sure to move your blue highlight bar into the choice that you are going to live. Because remember, you can choose, and if your expenses exceed your monthly income, you can always sell or move to a different place. So choose somewhere where you feel like you can live comfortably, but not just be scrounging for money the whole time. So I'm going to choose this golden area just because, it's 2 bedrooms, a bathroom. It seems nice because it's not low, but it's not too much because I don't have enough to like fill all the bedrooms and bathrooms and garages and whatnot. So once you've chosen where you're going to live, decide in your mind or not if you're going to have a roommate. So with a roommate, or not. You don't have to have a roommate if you're living by yourself. You can afford it. Be on your own. Set up a big party room in the other bedroom with games and TVs and all that stuff if you can afford it by yourself. And then subtract that from your previous income after insurance to find out what you're working with now that you've paid rent every month.